Hello everyone, my name is Reshma and today I talk about how to facial to do at home. So let's get started. So I purchased the first small mini kit about facial kit. So this name Arama Magic. Can you see that? So this is a seven step to facial kit. They also they are giving the step by step instruction. So let's get started at home to facial kits. So I organized all the things step by step. So what ingredients and what things we want about the facial kit. So let's get started. Which things we need about in that facial kit. So if you can see here, I am organized to all the things. Means I take a bowl of water. Then this is the steam and handkerchief. I take a two handkerchief. This is the belt. When I am do facial, that time I am using. This is handkerchief and this is napkin also. After that, I organize all the things. First of all, step 1, step 2, step 3, 4, 5, and so on. Total 7 steps. All the instruction in that um, paper also. It is a very easy step to do on facial at home. So now I am doing to first step. So first of all, you can clean your face. You are clean your face to normal water. So I can wear this belt because means your hair become too dirty. So that's why. Oh, this is broke, and that's why I'm wearing. If you have, then wear it. Otherwise, you can skip also. So I am doing the first step. For the first step, it is a face cleanser. So first, I clean my face to normal water to clean. After that, I am doing the first step for the cleanser, face cleanser. So this is acne for the acne pimples growing skin facial. So I am taking a quantity. That smell was very nice it is. So little water and I apply my face and clean it. मीन्स हर बार हम अ, इसमें जाते हैं, पार्लर में जाते हैं, सो मच मनी वी आर इन वेस्ट नहीं बोलूंगी बट इन्वेस्टिंग. हम घर बैठे बहुत बहुत आसानी से बहुत इजी स्टेप रहते हैं ये. बहुत इजी स्टेप से आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. बहुत बहुत इजी है. आप अगर जब तक ट्राई नहीं करोगे तो तब तक कैसे समझेगा, राइट? सो now I am taking the second step. So एक्चुअली इसका कवर मैंने फेंक दिया था. तो नॉर्मल छोटा सा, अगर देखोगे नॉर्मल छोटी सी बॉटल थी, बिकॉज मैं ये सेकंड टाइम यूज कर रही हूँ. फर्स्ट मैंने केविन का किया था. सो इसमें कुछ बचा तो है ही नहीं, बट ठीक है, चलो ट्राई भी कर ले सकते हैं. Now I am going to third step. So third step is a exfol gel. So again we are doing a massage on my face. Now I am taking a full quantity. step. This is the glow gel, and you can do 4 or 3 minutes full massage on your face. So I am doing for the as per instructions. This gel very. Just now 3 minute massage to shiny gel. So now I am taking the bath to glow is more than. So again, after taking a bath, I am doing this to clean my blackheads, to hear all of things. So this is not included about instruction. I am doing on my own. So this is the step 5, ऑक्सीजेंटिंग जेल. सो इससे क्या होता है, इससे आपके फेस पे जो इसमें विटामिन ए और सी है, जो कि आपका जो टॉक्सिन से फेस ब्लैक हो जाता है, तो इससे थोड़ा वो जो ब्लैकीनेस है वो हट जाता है. ऑलमोस्ट in that facial kit, almost most of the jelly है. So I'm using my hand also. So now I am doing a face mask. Last second step. This is a face pack. आपको पूरे स्किन फेस को आपको लगाने का है. Inside your eyes, and instruction also include same the things. So now I am applying the full uh, my face. This is my brush. Whenever last time I was bring uh, that last one coloring. So उसमें मुझे ये मिला था ये ब्रश. So मैंने संभाल के रखा. And this is the cover almost 15 minutes. So now I removed my face pack. So let's do it. 50 minutes से आपको रखने का है. After that you can clean it. So this is the last step for the facial. Last step is a seventh step to the sunscreen. So this is not needed that much but included on the instruction, so that's why I'm using it. If you want to skip that, so you can also skip, but if you going some outside for the afternoon time, so you should be must apply this sunscreen. And yes, like और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। और आपको ये छोटा सा मेरा ट्यूटोरियल कैसा लगा कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना, और आपके स्किन को ये सूट हुआ कि नहीं कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना। या एंड दिस इज़ द होम फेशियल किट। आई होप डू यू लाइक, and follow me more. Love you always. Bye. Take care.